faucet, overlap me in these lanes. I swear I'm so exhausted. And if you bring the beef, I bet that you get fried quick. Got a bad chick that come to my chin, I guess she 5'6", 5'7", or whatever. I guess it's the best time to wear a turtleneck sweater. Silly rabbits, tricks off for kids. Too many squares, y'all haters forming the grid. I sit back and laugh at you clowns. Claim that you got swag, man. You look like Mr. Brown, Medea. I'm hotter than the heater. Corner store candy flow, yeah. My lyrics getting sweeter. And your girl up and down like a gravity meter. My weekly specials like my name was Harris Teeter. I'm not a gangster, put the controller down. I hate the ones who say, hey the baddest that roll around. I breathe dragon fire. We got our own empire, I be swagging on these lanes. Just look at my attire, 0 years in the industry. So I'ma grind until everybody remember me. Until my name stuck in their memory like a brain disease. 3 bad chicks, I call them XYZ. Sit back and just relax and let them do XYZ. They either black or yellow like a buzzing bee. Realest letter in the alphabet. I am a G, super soak your girl, you don't have to see. I only deal with the realest, believe that's all around me. 1, 2, 3 into the 4. The hater mob is standing at my front door. Just turn up the music and I just ignore. The haters, they be watching more views than YouTube. My bummy days, I stack on more swag than you do. New enemies, heavy week, man, you too. My pop said, get your priorities straight. But the good or the great come to those who wait. Couple years, we gon' have golden gates. And as for all the doubters, man, I'm glad that you hate. Thank you, man, hey, you suckers motivate. Thank you to my haters, man, you suckers motivate, I'm gone.